Hey, this is Terratoots with a quick introduction to using presets in Terragen 4. Presets are a quick way to insert pre-made content into your Terragen world. There are two main types of presets in Terragen: project files and clip files. Project files, or TGD files, contain an entire Terragen scene with everything included. Clip files, or TGC files, contain parts and pieces of a scene, such as specific atmosphere effects or terrain shaders. They're more like building blocks that can be inserted into an existing scene. The easiest way to use presets is through the library. Let's walk through a few examples of how this works. I'm going to be using the free Terragen presets pack, which I downloaded previously from the Terragen website. The first step is to add the presets folder to our library. First, click the library tab, then this small gear icon at the top of the window, and then choose Scan Folder for library items. Next, I'll go ahead and choose the folder of downloaded presets. The library will scan the folder and add the presets. Next, expand out the Type section in the left-hand pane. Here we can see the different types of files the library can hold. Today, we're specifically interested in clips and projects. Let's take a look at projects first. Clicking the projects type displays a preview of the different Terragen projects in our presets folder. Opening one of these projects will create a whole new Terragen scene. For example, let's open this one here, which has some nice mountains. Here we can see the scene is created, and we can see our project. If we turn on the ray trace preview, we can see it will look quite a bit like that preview we saw in the library. The preset pack also includes some more exotic scenes, for example, this gas giant space scene. So those are project presets. Next, we'll take a look at clip files. First, we'll create a new Terragen project, so we're starting from a blank slate. Then go ahead and open the library once more. For dealing with clip files, the category section is very useful. It also gives a good overview of the types of things that clip files can contain. For example, atmospheres, cameras, lighting, shaders, terrain, and others. For example, let's get a little bit Star Wars-y by going to the lighting category and inserting this binary sunset. We'll let Terragen decide where to insert the clip into the node network by clicking the Insert Clip button. Now, if we go back to our scene, go to the Lighting tab, and disable the primary sun, we can look around to see our new sunrise over here. Let's turn on the ray trace preview for a better look. And there we have it. For another example, let's undo this. Go back to the library and into the atmosphere category. I like the look of this moody night sky, so let's insert this into our scene. Once again, we'll let Terragen decide how it wants to insert the clip. We'll head back into the Lighting tab and disable the default environment and sunlight. Pivot our camera around for a better view. And now we have a dramatic night sky with a bit of moonlight there. Lastly, let's try one more. This time a terrain shader. Go back to the library, this time to the shaders category. And let's try this procedural grass shader. Now if we turn on shaders, we'll see we have a little bit of grass on our terrain there. Okay, so that's a brief overview of some of the types of presets available in Terragen and how to use them. There are a lot of nice presets available out there, including a lot of free ones on the Terragen forums, so go out there and have fun with them.